to verify profile on Bumble. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to verify account on Bumble. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is to install your Bumble app on your mobile phone, and once you've ensured that it's been installed, you open it and this is what you're gonna see on your mobile screen. So the first thing you're gonna see is at the top left corner, you see three lines. You can click on it to know what it's under the three lines. Here it says choose a connection, so you have to choose either the date connection or the BFF connection. So this choose a connection option is very necessary because you have to choose a connection to help people, the right people, to connect to you on the Bumble app. So if you're on the date connection, people that are ready for a date on Bumble are those that will connect to you. But if you're ready if you choose the BFF connection, people that are ready to make friends and build and find community are those that will connect to you on Bumble. Okay. Also, at the center of the screen, the upper part, you see the round circle showing your profile picture with your name under it and your age. You can also see several options, several offers that are available on Bumble. You can see the Spotlight offer, you can see the Super Swipe offer, you can see the Premium offer with a Boost offer. So just make sure that the offer you're going to subscribe to is an offer that will be affordable to you. Okay. Also, at the lower part of the screen, you see several options. You see the profile option, you see the best bees option, you see the best bees option. Here you see several people that are available on Bumble that if you catch your fancy, you can click on any of them just to like the picture. Okay, so you can also click on this. You see people that you have the same interest in common are those that will be available under the third option. Also you can click on the like icon, which is the fourth icon. Here you see several people that liked your picture, okay, or that like you and are interested in you. So the last icon is the message or the chat icon. Here you see several people already. You see your match here. You can make match here. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so back to the question, how to verify your Bumble profile. You have to click on the round circle at the upper part of your screen showing your profile picture. You click on it and you wait for it. You see the profile picture in full being displayed on your screen, and at the top or the lower part of the screen you see the option to edit profile. So you click on the edit profile option, then you wait for the page to load. So here you see your pictures, the pictures that you've uploaded. You're going to see it here, so you keep scrolling. And after the best photo, the next option is verify my profile. Since you want to know how to verify your profile, you see here that mine has not been verified. What you have to do is to click on that particular option and you wait for it to load. So here, you see here that it has been loaded and instructions have been displayed on the screen to show me or to show you how to verify your profile. So the first one says copy this post and take a picture. So you have to copy this particular post, the post of this lady, and the upper part of your screen where she placed her hand on the side of her head. You have to copy that post and take the picture just like the way she did. So when you're done with that, we check the picture will be checked and matches the person in your profile. It will be visible on your profile. So to verify carefully and successfully, you have your name, your face must be clearly visible. So make sure that you are not in a dark place when you're taking the picture. When you want to copy that post and take a picture, make sure that your face is bright, is sharp in the camera. Then you must be copying this post exactly. So there are two things you have to do. You have to make sure that your face is clearly visible. Then you must copy the post exactly. That is the post of the lady in the square or the rectangle at the upper part of your screen. So now once you've understood the instruction, you take a look at the lower part of the screen a little, then you see the option take my photo. So you click on the option take my photo. Once you click on the option take my photo, you'll be directed to a camera. So here it's dark over here, but for you, you should make sure that you it's not dark wherever you are. So when you're ready, click on the option take my photo, then the camera will appear on your screen. Then once you've made sure that you're copying the exact pose of the lady, and when you're ready, you take a look at the lower part of the screen. You see the capture icon. You click on it, on the capture icon, and boom, that's it. So here, the picture you took will be compared with the picture of the lady. If it's the exact one, you to be okay. But you can also take a look at the lower part of the screen. Towards the lower part of the screen, there are two icons here. It says agree and submit. So if you follow the instructions, the previous instruction, just click on agree and submit. But if you noticed a mistake, or maybe you did not follow the instruction, just click on the second option, retake. So if you are sure that you followed the instruction, click on agree and submit. Then the two pictures will be compared. Once they are compared, your profile will be verified. So it's very simple. Okay, it's not a long process, it's a very short process. So this is simply how to verify your Bumble profile. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.